Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly which Schwab account you have and why you are cashing out. This affects taxes and timing. Once verified, log in and check your linked bank routing and account numbers so transfers go smoothly. Make sure you review any holdings that need selling and look at Form 1099 rules now. Knowing the tax implications prevents surprises. If you have an IRA, be aware of early withdrawal penalties versus brokerage distributions. This matters for net proceeds. You next execute the trades to convert assets to cash, choose market orders for speed or limit orders to control price, and consider partial sales to manage taxes. Once positions settle, initiate a withdrawal, select ACH for free transfers, wire for faster delivery with fees, or request a check. Make sure to confirm settlement dates because cash availability typically follows T+2 for stocks. Once done, set the transfer amount and double-check account numbers to avoid delays. You finish by confirming the bank received the funds and reconciling amounts against your Schwab confirmation. Most ACH transfers appear in 1 to 2 business days, while wires are faster. Once the transfer completes, confirm any residual positions or a zero balance and download confirmations for records. If something goes wrong, transfer missing, wrong amount, or hold, contact Schwab support immediately, provide reference numbers and timestamps, and escalate politely. This speeds resolution and documents the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.